Can we get Netflix for free? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can get Netflix for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people who have been wondering if Netflix provides free trials and if you can use Netflix for free, this video is for you. Now, if you head over to Netflix and if you head over to sign in, you will need to type in your password and email. Now, if you do not have an account, you can get one for different packages. You can get for different time frames. You can get different versions of different packages, but there is no option to get it for free. So what Netflix says about this is that Netflix does not provide any free trials. You can get the freedom to change your plans or cancel online at any time, but you will actually need to buy it in the first place. There is no contracts or cancellation fees if you plan to change your Netflix subscriptions. But yeah, the baseline is that you will not be able to use Netflix unless you buy it. There is no free subscription plans or there is no free trials for Netflix available. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope I answered your question. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe.